So you guys have seen my time lapse that I just pushed out. Let's just say this is the second time that I've had to pull my motor out of my caliber. Right now my motor is sitting on the Jegs engine stand, so if you guys are interested in this, I have a link in the description for it. Right now what we're looking at is my engine completely assembled. Now you guys can see I have my turbo manifold on, Serpentine, all that. Everything is here besides the intake manifold, the starter, the throttle body. Yeah, so what we're gonna be concerning on today is removing this serpentine belt, which is really easy. You have your tensioner and you have your two pulleys. These two pulleys are small and large. Just so you guys don't get that confused, small is up top, large is in the middle. They're two different product numbers. I do have a video, I'll link that in the description below. You have your water pump pulley, you have your crank pulley, you have your power steering pump pulley, you have your alternator, and then you have your AC compressor, which my AC compressor is junk, so I have to take that off. So basically what I'm doing here is taking off the serpentine belt, and then we're gonna go ahead and take off this in another video along with the oil pan so we can inspect inside. This video is more or less just showing you guys the serpentine belt on the engine out of the engine bay. All we're gonna do is take a 16 mil, and you guys can see that's all I do. Lift it up and that should come off. And that's all you guys do to take off your serpentine belt. And there it is. Smash that like button, guys. Peace! So once that stops dripping, I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Oh my god. Oh my god.